Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Runabout Jamaica, and we are quarantined, and today I just felt like coming outside, kind of just being at one with nature. This is basically at the front of the yard, somewhat at the front. So kind of giving a little tour of Jamaica, especially for persons who are overseas and you cannot come outside, and it's kind of much basically, and you're missing Jamaica, and I just wanted you to have a look to get back a little feel of what Jamaica is like. That's a taxi passing right there. For me, I feel a little bit stifled being inside for so long, and so that's why I just want to come outside and to kind of like just breathe, because this whole COVID-19 thing is just so stifling, honestly. So this is also another part of the garden. Some days, I just come out here and just feel good. I love nature, I love plants. That's why I love Jamaica, because for me this is just heaven. Being here, being actually just just being here. For me, that's like the best thing that can help me with my many problems and my many struggles. So when I'm at one with nature, I feel so happy, right? So guys, this is beautiful, don't you? This is really pretty, and I have access to this every day. I don't know if you guys can hear, but that was just a cow right there. That's a cow, yes. So if you're not in Jamaica, welcome to country. We're in the hills of Clarendon, far in the hills of Clarendon, close to the Bullhead Mountains, and this is what we experience every day. It's really sunny today. Normally we don't have a lot of sunlight sometimes, because being in the hilly area, we get a lot of rain. So we get a lot of rainfall. So happy for this, happy for the sun, and the cars, everybody hustling and bustling. Yes, right. For the persons who have not seen it for a while, I am going to show you guys a mango tree. Yes, we have a few on the property. Yes. We'll leave a mango trees. Alright. Okay, so we're also going to head over to the other side of the property. Show you another aspect of the garden. Yeah, we did some work there. Needs to be fixed. This is another side of the garden. I really don't like these flowers though, because I'm not even sure what their name, but they kind of harbor a lot of worms at times, and I definitely hate worms. I really hate worms. Seriously. No joking at all. Hate worms. Anybody else? I don't like kill them or anything, but I just don't want them anywhere near me. God, honestly, just thinking about it, I feel so. Ugh. Alrighty, guys, let's go to another part. Look at a breadfruit tree. By the way, that's another mango tree right there. Another car passing. Alright, guys, another mango tree. Okay, guys, I could not pass this flower without stopping. I mean, everybody's supposed to know this one. We call it the hibiscus. Anybody remember when we were going like to primary school and we're like walking from school to home, and like if we're passing this, we'd like stop, pick it and put it in our hair, or there was a little thing in it that we would blow. Anybody else, or we just old? We don't know. Yeah, so I always love this plant. I always love this flower. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So we have a few. Here's another one right here. Yes, beautiful. Yes, everyone, this is so pretty. Jamaica, guys, beautiful Jamaica. I can't say it enough. Jamaica is so pretty, so beautiful. This is Natural Jamaica, natural country. That's how the country look like. Okay everyone, so we're at another side of the yard, and this time I'll be showing you star apple. This is a star apple tree. Now if you guys can see, there are a lot of star apples on the tree, but many of them are brown. Now do you remember when we were growing up, when our parents used to say, you mean like star apple? There you have it guys. They did not fall to the ground. They will never ever fall. If you do not pick them, they stay there and they will just dry out. I kid you not, they will just dry out. They're not gonna fall. So if you cannot pick star apple, you will not eat them. Alright guys. Right, now on this side of the property we have a small breadfruit tree, and you can see down there we have some cars, you know. So we have a small breadfruit tree. You know, in Jamaica we call breadfruit bresche. Up in the hills where I am from, we say bresche. We say breadfruit bresche. Same thing. Alrighty. Have some nice flowers and stuff. More mango trees. More mango trees, and just being at one with nature is so good. Yeah. Wow, the sunlight is so nice. Okay guys, now this is another breadfruit tree. This one is a bit bigger than the one that we saw at the side. I don't see any breadfruit on it right now. Oh, there's a small one up the top. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's actually a small one. I see two. You guys see any? I'm actually seeing two. See if I can get a better view of it. Yeah, I think yeah. Can you see it? Yeah, man. It's there. I actually see two. Ready? More mango trees. You see some banana? Yeah, banana trees too. Okie dokie. So where we are now, this is where we plant some yam. Yes. And I hope everybody knows how yam goes. You know. Yes, this is a little yam farm. It's yam farm, but it's small, not much, but it's enough to get dinner at times. Alright. Can you see the mountain range? That's so cool, right? For all those persons who love sugar cane, long time when I not come my yard, long time when I see cane and all these things. Yes, it's not much, but you know. Yes guys, some more banana trees right there. Heading over to the lettuce farm. We kind of have a bit of space on the property, and ancestors have passed down a lot of farming techniques, and so persons still continue. That's an orange tree right there. Can you see it? It's an orange tree. So we're heading over to the lettuce farm. Alrighty. Now, for all those who do not know, this is how lettuce grows until it actually folds. So it's not in the folding process as yet, but you know, they're getting there. They're getting there. One thing you know, Jamaica can be noisy. But you hear the truck? Yes. See if we can get a view. Yeah. Oh yeah. What did I say about that noise? Hey guys, I didn't remember to show you the coconut trees. Yeah. I don't want to walk in the farm though, so I hope you're getting a good view. So the coconut trees, look at the coconut tree, it is like loaded. So I'm gonna actually zoom. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Hey, a bit fast right there. But the coconut tree is like loaded. Loaded. Ready? Okie dokie. Now, coming back, I was like, oh, you know, but we have a guava tree. When last have you guys seen a guava tree? When last have you guys actually had guava? Look, everyone, this is a guava tree, and it actually has on ripe guavas on it. And you know the funny thing about life, I can't tell the last time I've actually had or actually ate a guava. See, because we actually have it here, it's like, right, guys, because as I was saying, because we actually have the guava, then sometimes you really do not feel for it. You really don't. Under normal circumstances before the quarantine, I would actually take guava for my co-workers. I'd actually take guava for my friends. But now, because of the quarantine and everybody locked down in the yard, the guavas are just here and I can't take them to anybody. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to try and pick some and probably make some guava jam. You know, guava jam can be preserved. So I really do not like when things are being wasted or things are wasted. So I'm going to try that. Yeah. Great idea. Great idea. Alright guys, so basically what I'm showing you, I hope you can see it. That's the clothesline with the bamboo stick or the line stick. You know you're the country, you know you're the Jamaica. When you see the clothesline, I see them bamboo sticks. Yeah. Yeah. Representing country, Jamaica, yeah. The good life. So I'm just showing you guys some more banana trees, and you can see we have some bamboo at the back. So basically to the back of the property. And I don't know if you guys have ever watched any of the videos that I put, but I have a video with a pig. Like when I'm bored and I'm gonna just walk up there like to bring the food. So this is where I would walk. So I probably can hear the pig. Yeah, you can hear the pig in the background. You know, actually why I bring things to the pig, because the garbage truck is not really passing. I haven't seen a garbage truck in like weeks. So the things that like the peel from different plants or whatever peel we have, whatever food, we really can't store it in the house, whatever waste. So I just normally put it in a container and then take it and give it to the pig. Yep. Alrighty. So you know you're the country. I mean, come on. Almost everybody that lives in the country area would normally have something, some animals or something. Now we have chicken, we have pigs, we have goats, we have a little farm. Just have something. And this is just Jamaica. The struggles are real. The hustle is real, but we have a beautiful island, and it is just something that can uplift our spirits. No matter sometimes how you feel depressed, just coming outside, you know, the air is so fresh, the scenery is just beautiful and captivating, and so you get a sense of peace even when you do not feel at peace. But for a while, you know, you kind of release yourself of some of the stress and the struggles of life. And there's one thing I know about life: don't let life get you down, because you see, life stops for no one. That is something that I have learned. Life stops for no one. Time does not stop. And so you could be going through whatever you're going through, there must come a day when it will end, because nothing is going to slow down for you. So in this time of quarantine, whether you've lost your job, whether your pay has been cut, or you know, the food just not look much, there is hope. I mean, I'm here telling you that there is hope, but there is hope. And sometimes I've learned that fretting just doesn't help, because you'll fret. My mom has a saying. She said 1,000 pound of fret cannot pay 1 penny debt. So no bother fret, man. Just find that thing that you like, find that movie you love watch, something that just takes your mind off things and just be at peace with yourself. I think that's one of the greatest and most important things in life, being at peace with ourselves, forgiving ourselves and letting go. I think sometimes we just hold on to too much. Gungo people, gungo. Gungo tree. As I was saying, sometimes we just hold on to too much, man. Get up, go out the door, go walk up and down. If you can. If you can't, move out, come out of the bedroom, you know. Just try something. Try something. Find a new niche. Find something new that you like. Find something. Different mango tree, people. Different mango tree. Right? So we're all the way now to the edge. The front. We're back to the front of the property. And you're now seeing the road better. There goes the taxi. Right? So just find something. In this time, since most of us are actually home. Yes, guys, as I was saying, now that we are actually home, let's just use this opportunity to maybe learn something new. More than about the noise, right? So there is a liquor truck coming. Anybody who grew up in Jamaica can remember a liquor truck. So that's the red stripe liquor truck. Right, so as I was saying, take this time to learn something new. Let this quarantine be a time of self-reflection, learning a new skill, go online, learn something new if you're at home. Make sure say you're not just a quarantine and chill, but at the end of the day you're quarantining and you're building. What I said about the noise? So you're building your character, you're building everything about yourself, everything that you wanted to be. This is a good time to just stay home and reflect. And the most important thing, try to learn something new. Try to make some new plans so that after this quarantine, your life will be in a better position than it was before. Go online, learn to do something, learn some new skill, learn something. Alright, so I think I'm chatting enough for today. So big up on a nice self and help your girl out. Subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell, and just stay tuned because I have a lot of cooking coming up. All those skills that my mom taught me, my grandmother and my great grandmother. So it may be simple things, but you know, when the country girl put her twist to it, it will be great. Trust me. Alright, so just stay tuned and you'll learn a lot of new things. Enough love. Blessings, peace, one love, my people. Bye.